In the deep silence of the night, a single light flickers between the ancient trees. Suspended in the void, I am no longer bound by the damp earth below. Welcome to the Z-axis. This is Ailao Mountain, China's most enigmatic wilderness. As dawn breaks, the emerald labyrinth reveals its true haunting beauty. Every branch here is draped in centuries of moss, breathing in the thick mountain mist. The trees twist in unnatural shapes, as if guarding secrets that have been forgotten by time. Known for its mysterious magnetic anomalies, this forest is a place where legends and reality blur. To the locals, it is a forbidden realm. To me, it is a vertical sanctuary. Every inch of this primeval bark tells a story of survival and ancient magic. In this world of endless green, the air is heavy with moisture and the scent of damp earth. I am a guest in this sky-high kingdom, the only one exploring the world from the trees. Found a wild chinkapin on the forest floor. Amidst the shadows, nature hides its jewels. Precision is everything. One perfect shot to conquer the Ailao canopy. Using a throw line to pull the 9mm Dyneema main rope over the branch. Main anchor point for the suspended shelter. Suspended tent secured. High humidity in the rainforest. Condensation covers the tent by morning. Exiting the suspended tent. Same procedure as entering. Shifting my weight from the tent to the rope. Organizing the ropes. A final look at the branch that held the camp yesterday. Thanks for watching.